Hey everyone, so today I have the group version of IZ ONE's latest Dicon magazine, so let's unbox it. Okay, so I pre-ordered this from K-Town for You, so I have the little benefit that they gave, which I think is just a group card. So this is the card. I think it's the ballet one, so it's like the front cover of it. And then the back says, "Shall we dance?" So now I have the actual Dicon magazine itself, which is actually in a big old box compared to the member versions. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Okay, and then on the side is a little D for Dicon. And then it says, "Shall we dance?" Okay, so then now let's open it. I wonder how it's going to be packaged, because the packaging of the other one was quite different to the first Dicon, but this is also a box. Oh! Okay. Also, I unboxed Hey One's version on the channel, which you can watch here. Here. Somewhere. Okay, so I think you got a...
It is.
This is huge! Okay, because I remember you get like a mouse mat with it. This is massive. Like...
Keyboard and mouse mat.
Okay, wait, let's... Okay, also the rest of the... Well, let me just open this out. And then... Oh, okay. So let's just move the inclusions and take out the actual thing. This is like an actual book on like a magazine. So let's move this to the side, and this is what it looks like. I wonder if it'll be like any different. Well, it should be quite different to the actual magazine, like a little bit. Or is it the exact same content? I don't know. But then the back isn't nothing. And then the side. Okay, so when we were looking, I think a lot has changed about the actual Dicon box and stuff itself, because we just looked up, because I remember that this was meant to be like a full group picture of them doing ballet, so I was like, this different. So on K-Town for You, they actually have where they showed you what was different, which is how the box at first I think was meant to be like a pinky coral, kind of like Hey One's colour, and then it changed to white, which is this. And then the mouse pad completely changed. So the mouse pad was meant to look like
I can insert photo.
Insert photo, because I feel like that would be a bit hard. And then I think someone said that the photo cards
they were
changed as well. So the photo cards here should be different. Okay, let's open this up. But I didn't think this was going to be this big. So let's... This is huge. It's also very bright. Oh, I'm gonna need to like probably flatten that down. So this is what the mouse mat looks like. Let me just see. You have a group picture in the middle, then unit pictures on the side, and I think it looks quite cute. So let's put that to the side, and we'll do the stickers next. Is there anyone there? Everyone come out. This is so strange. Okay, so let's go. Oh, these are so strange to have. Nako, what?
Sorry?
We have Nako first. How am I gonna hold this? I'm gonna hold them by the shoes. Then, just put that to the side. Then we have Yujin. Then we have Hey One. Then we have Cheon's is cute. Oh, Cheon's got the little bit there that like it needs to pop out. Then we have Hitomi's. Then Yena. Oh, Yena looks so adorable. Then Wonyoung. Then we have Sakura. Then Chaewon. Then Yuri. Then Minju. And then lastly we have Umbi. It would have been nice if they were like all on that one page. Okay, so now we have the photo cards. And they Oh, they feel like the. I love the feel of these. They're so fun. Okay, so I'm gonna do it from the back. Yeah, so that I don't see the cards. But I'll do the group card first. Okay, so this is what the group card looks like. Then it has all their names on the back and the colour of the Dicon magazine.
The book.
Then we have Sakura's. Oh, this is cute. I feel like she was one of them shown as the pictures. I think it was like the 4 oldest maybe. And they must have changed. Then the back. Then we have Chaewon's. Ooh, she's in her ballet. Sakura just looks like she shoved on a jumper after ballet. Then the back. Then we have Nako's. These are so cool. I just love the feel of these cards. Then Minju's. Ooh, she's got a nice bit of brick wall in the back. Then we have Yuri's. Ooh. Oh, hers is cute. Then the back. Then we have Umbi's. Then Hitomi's. Oh, her purple hair is so nice. Then Cheon. Then Haewon. I can't remember what the ones were for it. I think they still were the ballet scene though. No, they were the party scene, weren't they? Then we have Yujin. They could have just done 2 photo card sets, really. Then Wonyoung. And then lastly we have Yena's. Okay, so that is the photo cards.
Squirrels! Oh, my nails look nice. Go on, against them. Okay, so let's open it. That's right. Okay. And I feel like there's going to be so many of these pages. First dance. I wonder who that is. B. This is going to be very similar to the other one, but just the pages will be a bit wider. Then Sakura. Haewon. Yena. Cheon. That's very difficult. Chaewon. Ooh. I feel like there's a lot of more up close pictures. Close ups. Maybe more artsy. Minju. Cone her water. Nako. Demi. Oh, she looks cute. I love her hair. Oh my god, her foot. Yuri.
I think each one has had their cover photo.
Yeah.
And this.
Eugene. What was Eugene's?
She was sitting by something. wasn't she?
Something like this.
Something
Something there. One young was like that or something. Oh, she's got a book. That's very up close. Fiesta. What? Then shall we dance? Oh, straight onto the party one. Okay. Highlight. Oh, this can be random songs. Oh. Okay. These were cute photos. I like these ones. Right, look how adorable. They clearly took a lot. Then with their little cameras. Then group pictures, and then ooh! These are like more up close ones. I think they had these, but like really small ones in the actual, like in Haywan's version. Then back to ballet, or not? Eyes on behind. Oh, I thought you could get more of behind the scenes for this. They look so cute. Ooh, Polaroids. Aha! Okay, they're colours. Now, this must have been the like random postcard that I was like, well, where is this from? Because I just saw a sneak peek of Haywan's, which really confused me. Because I was like, but where?
That's
but
like postcard.
yeah. Because I was like, but what is this? So is it all from like first, or just a random Dicon they have? Not
Random
Dicon.
dispatch photo shoot.
Yeah. Do you think it was like one of their first or something? Or like Fiesta thing? Oh, it's Timmy Blonde. Cute. Oh, that's so bright. And then orange pages. Oh, I thought that would make a noise.
Okay, so that is my unboxing of the group version of IZ ONE's Dicon magazine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!